In this challenge, we're going to create the functionality of our pause menu. So the logic is really simple. Basically, I'm going to disable my title screen here. When our game is running, when I hit the P key, I need to enable this game object, the pause menu panel, and then eventually we'll hook up the buttons. But for starters, the implementation is simple. I hit the P key, I enable the pause button. I hit the resume button, and the game continues as normal. So in order to do this, we need to create a pause functionality. Now, if you're not sure how to create a pause functionality, this is a great time to head to Google and search for how to pause a game in Unity C#. You'll come across some articles that will tell you exactly what method is used to basically freeze time in Unity. Another thing to consider when creating the pause functionality is where do we check for this user input? Where does it make the most sense to check for this user input? I'll see you in the challenge review.